In this video, we'll be talking about logarithms, both common and natural. Let's start off with a definition. What is a logarithm? Basically, a logarithm is a question. If we have log b of x is equal to y, what we're asking is, what power is b raised to get x? So we want to know what's the power to get x. Basically, logarithms undo exponential functions. If we have an exponential function right here, the inverse is going to be the log. Remember, an inverse is reflecting it across y is equal to x. So this is our exponential function. That's what it looks like. And this is what the log function looks like. Let's look at some basic properties of logs. So let's start by looking at some properties. If we have log base b to 1, it will be equal to 0 because we're saying that b, which is here, raised to the 0 power, this is the exponent here, is equal to 1. If we have log base b of b, that's going to be equal to 1 because b raised to the first power is equal to b. If we have log base b to the y, that's going to be equal to y because we have our b here, exponent is equal to b to the y. Some very basic properties of logarithms. Makes it much easier when you just remember a logarithm is the answer to a question. What is the exponent that I need to raise the base to? So if I had 2 to the x is equal to 16, I'm saying 2 raised to the what power is 16? Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, so 2 to the 4th is 16. So if I'm writing this in logarithms, I would have this log base 2 of 16 equals x. What number am I raising 2 to get 16? And we just showed that here that x is equal to 4. When we talk logarithms, we're generally talking common logarithms, or base 10. Common logarithm has 10 as our base, but we generally don't write the 10. So instead of log base 10 is equal to x, we would just say log of x. And we are assuming that it's base 10. And it's going to be the inverse of y equals 10 to the x. So you're asking, what is the exponent of my base 10? So in this case, my base is 10. The exponent, the answer to the question, is 4. And I'm asking, what's the answer on that? The unknown is the x. So 10 to the 4th is 10 followed by 4 zeros, or 10,000. So log of 10,000 will be equal to 4. Let's talk a few minutes about natural logs. A natural log is the base e. So if we want to know what the natural log of e is, remember the base is going to be e. The exponent is your answer. So e to the what is equal to e. And so in this case, the natural log of e is 1. If we have the natural log of 1, we are saying e to the what is equal to 1, and e to the 0 is equal to 1, so the natural log of 1 is 0. The natural log of e to the y, we are asking e to the what is equal to e to the y. So the natural log of e to the y is equal to y. We'll be doing more examples of logarithms in class, and now just for fun, see you in class.